soya chunks, 100% vegetarian. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is She Africa, Dunkunda of Africa, and Kunda means the daughter, and I'm the daughter of Africa. Guys, I'm cooking today. I'm cooking pap and soya chunks, then cabbage. So I'm cooking for myself today. So let's cook together. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. If you comment, if you subscribe, that's how I grow, guys, and you will be part of She Africa YouTube channel family. So let's do this together. This is my cabbage. I have rifle serving mixed with me and rasta, something like that. I have salt in this bottle of sun jam. Do you see Mount Pizza? Let's cut the vegetables. This cabbage is enough for me. For this meal, I really like to eat raw cabbage. I'm done. So guys, let's talk about these. I'm cooking chunks, soya chunks. As you can see here, it's written soya chunks, and it's for vegetarian. If you are from Zimbabwe, you know about this. I don't know, do we find these chunks in any other country? Maybe our neighbors, Zambia, South Africa, Mozambique, yeah, somewhere there. I think you can find soya chunks. And this soul foods, yeah, it's written soul foods and 100% vegetarian. So let's cook vegetarian food today. Let me show you how I cook the soya chunks. Firstly, I have to mona sadza, my pap pot. The view, a breathtaking view of Mount Pizza. This is where I am today, guys. This is wasabi for you. The smoke is too much here. The smoke is killing me, guys. The first thing I'm gonna do is to soak the soya chunks. I have to soak them with warm water. the ingredients: only soya, best before 2026, mwedzi wechinai, 100% soya. This is enough. They are getting ripe. They are ripening. Look at this one. Oh, what is happening with this one? Let's harvest some shallots, the spring onions. I have to harvest some guavas. I want guavas. Okay. Why is it so difficult for this one to fall down? Fall down. Oh, yes. It's done. These two. Let's see our pot. No, it's okay. It's still okay. It's still okay. So now we have to add the chunks, the soya chunks, our guavas.
hanzi ane 2 weeks oenda harare.
Don't know the name of this fruit in English. We just call them majanji. I don't like too much wrinkle. This is enough for me. In my culture, before eating the food, you have to clap your hands like this, meaning I'm sorry, or meaning I'm eating the food now. Thank you for providing the food. Thank you for giving me the food. Thank you for giving me another chance to eat the food on earth. I'm alive, I'm here, I want to take the food, to consume the food. Thank you for that. So this is what we do in my culture. So yeah, that's why I did this. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate. Bye.